We just finished the most incredible spa experience at V-Spa at the Westin, and I got to film it, so I'm going to share all the details with you now. Let's enjoy an incredible Korean facial in Seoul together. Today I'm taking you with me to the V-Spa. This spa is located on the 3rd floor of the Westin Hotel located in Seoul, Korea. On this trip, we were staying at the Four Seasons, which I love. And their spa is incredible, and I actually have a facial that I've filmed and shared here with you. Link is provided. This trip, I decided to venture out and see other places to be pampered. I was very pleased. Sometimes it can be challenging to get approval for filming the treatments that I want to share with you. So I am incredibly grateful to my beautiful therapist for allowing me to film this enchanting experience. It's a full-on massage and facial massage, back massage, foot rub. You guys, it's amazing. So I just had the H20 Boost Intensive, and it is so much more than what that explains. So here is the V-Spa treatment room. So they give you little underwear to put on, and then you disrobe everything else, and you have this locker to put everything away. And look at how beautiful this space is. It's really, really lovely. Okay, so now I'm on the bed table. It's warmed, and oh, I forgot to take the necklace off. Shoot. All right, I remedied my necklace issue, so now I'm ready for my facial. And she said that I could film. So it feels so nice. She's beginning with a foot scrub. So after the most incredible back massage, now we're gonna start the facial portion. So our first cleanser, the oil cleanse. It smells beautiful. Now it's toning time. This is the first mask, the V-Spa mask for hydration. It smells really nice. Now we do pressure. Now she adds an exfoliant to help cleanse. This is the second cleanser. Toner. I love the headband. Oh, it's a towel. Yeah, I was thinking it was a headband this whole time. I love it. It's time for the hydration ampoule. So with this hydration on, she's gonna do lymph drainage now. So now we're starting the hydration manual technique, which is massage, to help, I guess, infuse these serums into my face and get the blood circulating, and also it feels incredible. Amazing. Is this to lock in the hydration?
Yeah, this is collagen.
Oh, collagen mask?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
this is for, it will be regenerating.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she cuts it and trims it to my size.
This is cool.
Okay. Cold water is not going to be applied. It will activate the collagen.
Starting décolleté massage.
Thank you. Better hydration now?
Yeah, this is post-it ampoule.
Okay, so the post ampoule. they do treatments here is just amazing. My lips feel bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause that collagen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it really plumped the face.
Plumping. Yeah.
That's
plumping.
incredible. It's really incredible, actually. Okay, that was an incredible experience and service, and I cannot believe how much more plump my face is. Actually, when that mask was across my lips, I could feel my lips surging, kind of like when you have a lip plumper on, but not as spicy or intense, as you will. But definitely it did a whole work to plump up the entire face and lift it. Like, it's an amazing concept. I wish I had done it before picture. I had no idea that it was going to be that dramatic, but definitely I can see a difference. And she just did an incredible job. I'm always blown away when I travel to other countries, specifically Asia, and have services, because their ability to just give you the most luxurious, pampering, loved on experience is unparalleled. Like, never get these kinds of treatments in the US. No matter how much you spend, it never is the same. So I'm super grateful. I'm glad that we got to try a different spa, because I've already been to the Four Seasons spa when I've been here before. So it was nice to try V Spa. So if you ever come to Seoul and you're interested in a spa experience like this, check out V Spa. You can find it at the Westin here in Seoul, and it's on the 3rd floor, and it's fabulous. Now it culminates with a tea service, but we're in a rush. So I'm probably gonna like drink the tea really fast and run out of here. Bye.
Saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.